This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by revealing the waveform so you can actually see what you'll edit. First, enable Show Audio Waveform in the timeline menu. This exposes peaks and silence. Then, zoom the timeline and increase track height so you can select transient detail accurately. Do this now because visual precision speeds edits and avoids accidental cuts. Also, make sure only the target track is unlocked and soloed. That prevents changes to other clips while you perform the next surgical steps. Once the waveform is visible and magnified, cut and trim using the razor or rate stretch tools to align speech or beats. You'll adjust gain and clip volume first to get consistent peaks. This makes compression and limiting work better. Then apply essential sound. Tag clips as dialogue and use repair reduce noise or dynamics to tame peaks. Continue with effects like EQ to boost clarity. These steps change the waveform shape by removing noise and tightening dynamics, which improves perceived loudness. To finish, render a short reference WAV and inspect the waveform in a dedicated audio editor or back in Premiere to confirm changes. If the visible waveform shrinks unexpectedly, check automation lanes, muted keyframes, or disabled effects. Those often mute gain. Make sure no clips have applied inf gain or track effects bypassed. Finally, use match loudness and loudness radar to meet delivery standards. If you still see issues, toggle effects off and on to isolate which plugin is altering the waveform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.